Before I go boom like drop, fuck that door like.
What's up, you guys? It's your girl Kanai from BIGBAKEROLL TV, and you're tuned into episode 31. What's up, you guys? So for today's dessert, we will be making some strawberry cookies made with strawberry cake mix. So I've been seeing this go around Instagram. All the bakers are trying it, and I'm kind of late on the trend, but we're here today, and we're gonna see how they turn out. I'm very excited to see what these cookies turn to be. Will they actually taste like cake, or will they be some pretty good cookies you can make on a regular for your family? If you have just a regular cake mix sitting around, or your favorite cake mix, you can make some cookies out of it. If you're not feeling cake this week, today, or you just need something to make really fast, this might be the way to go. In my opinion, I feel like it's gonna come out pretty good because of the ingredients we're using, which I'll explain a little later, but I think it's gonna be pretty good. And I'm choosing strawberry because why not? Who doesn't love strawberry cake? And then you turn them into cookies, oh yeah, 10 times better. But yeah, everybody was doing strawberry, and I wanted to try strawberry. I was thinking about doing something different, but I'm gonna stick with the strawberry, and maybe next time or another day I will try something different. But I'm very excited to do the strawberry cookies, so let's go ahead and hop into it. As you guys know, or if you don't know, the ingredients to make a simple box cake, all you need is eggs, oil, and water. Simple. But to make the cake cookies, what we're going to be using today, the cake mix, of course. So we have the strawberry cake mix. We're going to be using 2 eggs instead of 3, and then we're going to use 1/3 cup of oil, and then we're going to also add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. So this should be interesting. I can't wait to see the consistency. That's what I'm really looking forward to. And yeah, and also we are going to be adding some white chocolate chips just to throw a little razzle-dazzle to our cookies. And I feel like white chocolate definitely goes well with strawberry flavored. So yeah, I want to give that a try. And yeah, let's get into it. Okay, so we already have our oven preheated to 350. As you guys just heard the little beeping noise telling us that it's ready to go. So we have that, and we're just going to start by pouring our cake mix into a bowl. We're not going to bring out the big stand mixer today because I feel like it's no need. We're just going to make some quick little cookies. Hopefully they turn out tasty. And yeah, so today we're going to be mixing it up with our whisk. So we have our strawberry cake in there. Now we're going to add our 2 eggs. That's 1. And then 2. Next we're adding in 1/3 cup of canola oil. I learned that canola oil is better for baking, even though some recipes want you to use vegetable oil. But if it's not really if it doesn't really say, or if it's not really specific, then I just go ahead and use canola. But next we're adding 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, just to add that extra taste into it. You guys know vanilla extract is just what makes the dessert basically. Almost every dessert you're going to be using some type of extract just to add that pinch of flavor that you're missing out on. So yeah, we're just mixing it up, and as you guys can see already, we just started mixing it up, but it's giving like cookie dough consistency, so that's great. Okay, so we're going in with our fork, and our dough is about done. As you guys can see, we have a good consistency going on right now. Just want to make sure we don't have no extra loose batter. So that's all we're doing right now. to go ahead and add in our white chocolate chip. So we're just adding in 1 cup of
niggas swear they passed us, they doing too much. Haven't done my taxes, I'm too turned up. Virgil got a paddock on my wrist going nuts. Niggas caught me slipping once, okay, so what? Someone hit your block up, I tell you if it was us.
And when they're warm, yes, it's gonna be perfect. I can already see the vision. Like, come on. I'm excited. I'm too excited right now. Okay, now we're gonna bring out the cookies and start putting these on our pan. So we're not gonna use parchment paper today, just because I trust the cookies. Okay, so just making sure to spray the pan, and we're gonna take our scoop and we're just gonna scoop them onto the tray like
Haven't
so.
done my taxes, I'm too turned up. Virgil got a paddock on my wrist going nuts. Niggas caught me slipping once, okay, so what? Someone hit your block up, I tell you if it was us. Man, a house in Rosewood, this shit too plush.
It's cool, man. Got red bottles on. Life is good. You know what I mean?
Alright, so we have our 6 cookies on the tray, and it's cute, it's cute, it's cute, I like it. But the tip to this recipe is to put them in the fridge for half an hour, so 30 minutes basically. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw these in the fridge for 30 minutes so that when we have to do this because when they bake, like, we don't want them to be like cakey, so like just puff up. We're gonna give them time to chill so they can spread and we could get that nice round cookie that we're looking for. So they're sliding. Alright, there we go. So we're gonna throw these in the refrigerator for 30 minutes and I'll be back. Cookies have been in the freezer. I actually put them in the freezer so we could speed up the process. But cookies have been in the freezer for 25 minutes, exactly 25 minutes, and now we are going to bake them in the oven for 350 degrees for 10 minutes. Alright, so I put the first batch in and it didn't come out as planned. It wasn't giving the circular cookie look that I was going for, so I actually went ahead and made a second batch, and that's what I'm going to present to you guys. So keep watching to see how beautiful my second batch came out. Okay, so I took the cookies out the oven. I took all my pictures because look how pretty they are, you guys. So these came out so pretty and I can't wait to try them. I can't wait to let my family try them. If you're not following me on Instagram already, what are you waiting for? Follow me on Instagram, link in the description below, and it's on the screen, BIGBAKEROLL_TV. Make sure you guys follow me on Instagram. And yeah, like I said, go check out the taste testing video. Yeah, that's really, really pretty. This is how they came out. I'm gonna leave some pictures on the screen, but for more pictures, like I said, go to my Instagram, go to my Instagram, go to my Instagram. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, leave me a comment down below what you think. Are you gonna try these yourself? And subscribe to my channel and turn on the post notification bell because it is officially summer, so you already know I'm coming hard with the summer desserts. Leave me some suggestions in the comments if you have anything you want me to bake this summer, anything. I might throw in some ice cream in there, even though this is like a baking channel. I might just throw in some ice cream because it's getting hot outside. It's getting really hot outside and we might need that. So if y'all want me to make some ice cream, homemade ice cream, let me know in the comment below, because honestly I was thinking about it, but I was like, I don't really know. So if you want some ice cream, let me know in the comment down below. But without further ado, I will see you guys next week. Bye.